Hey guys, what's up? It's Elisa. Happy Thursday. We have one more day till Friday, which is awesome. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining. Please make sure to click the subscribe button. What I like to do here on my channel is try out different products and services and give you an open, honest, unbiased review on those products or services. And that way you'll know if it's worth spending the money testing them out or not. So on today's episode, I am going to be unboxing and reviewing my FabFitFun Summer box for 2019. These are subscription-based boxes. They ship quarterly. They are $49.99 if you opt in for the quarterly package, and each box will contain $200 or more worth of items. Now, if you're new to FabFitFun, you've never tested it out before, what I can do is send you a starter box, which will contain 3 to 4 different full-size products, and they typically retail for $75 or more worth of items, and all you have to do is actually pay for shipping. That's actually how I got started, and then I opted in for the larger boxes. Alternatively, if you want to just jump right into the full-size box, I've also included a link below for $10 off your first box. So there'll be a coupon code in the description for $10 off your first full-size box. Or if you want to go the starter box way, just shoot me a comment in the comment section below and I'll let you know how I can ship that to you. So let's get right to it and open this box up. I'm so super excited. I know I say this all the time, but let's open it up. Oh, this is so pretty and so summery. I just love that. So each box will contain the FabFitFun magazine, which always has really fun, cool, different types of information and stuff like that on there. There's also some different coupons, HelloFresh coupon, in case you want to opt into those different services. So I should also add that FabFitFun does allow you to customize your boxes and also do add-ons as well. So in this case, I did customize my box. I remember opting in for like a beach towel of some sort, but I don't remember what else I selected. So it's kind of just as much of a secret to you right now as it is to me. So let's tear this open. All right, awesome. So the first thing I'm seeing here is the towel that I opted in for. And this is just a fun little 49-inch beach towel. And what's fun about this is it's actually a cool, I should stand up to show you here. It's a cool size. So cool. So that's fun. That's definitely something, you know, that I'll use on the beach or even just kind of hanging out, maybe having a picnic or something like that. That would be fun. Okay, so then the next thing, and I actually do remember selecting this as well. These are indigo tie-dye bowls. It's a set of 3 bowls. So I'm super excited about these bowls. Look how pretty they are inside. They're tie-dye bowls. And the neat thing about them is they're stoneware and they're dishwasher and microwavable safe, which I love because I hate hand washing stuff. I don't know, maybe I'm lazy, but they come in 3 sizes. This one is a great little like ramekin or dip type of bowl size. The next one's kind of a medium size, and then we have the large, which would be nice for cereal or something like that. So those are super cool. I do now remember actually selecting them, so I'm really excited that they arrived. The other thing I wanted to note before I open up the rest of the box is as I mentioned, with the boxes, you can actually add-on items, right? That will ship with your box. And the cool thing about the add-on items is you actually get them at a discounted price. So I haven't done this before. Today was the first day that I actually did it. But I ended up opting in for this refining micro polish, which helps to smooth and exfoliate your skin. It retails for $57, but I did see it on Amazon for $59. So it's a pretty expensive product. And the cool thing about it is I got it for $7 because I added it on with my box. So that's just another perk to being part of the FabFitFun community. All right, so the next item I have here is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. And this is supposed to help polish and soothe and smooth out your feet. So that's kind of fun. Might have to try that out. Sorry, my phone's going off here. Might have to try that out for my next pedicure that I do. Okay, so this item, oh, my friend got this and I just loved it. I'm so excited about this. So this is a healing balm, right? And the cool thing about it is you can apply this to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails. So this is something that I will love. I'm in Pennsylvania. We have super harsh winters, so I'll be using this all winter long. All right, the next thing is Generation Clay. This is a brightening purple clay mask. That's kind of interesting. So you apply a layer of this to clean, dry skin. You wait 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off with water. So that's kind of cool. That should be fun. The next thing is this Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So let's go ahead and check this out. I have used facial sprays in the past. I actually have one by MAC that I love, but I'm always willing to try new things, obviously. So let's check this out. So this is a huge bottle. I mean, look at the size of that. That's a really big bottle. And can't really smell it right now. It's just a light mist. Definitely does smell like rose, but not overwhelming scent, which is nice. And this is just a hydrating facial spray, so that's something that's always good to have. All right, so the next item is a jewelry item, and I can tell because it says jewelry alongside the designer's name, and it comes in this cute little pouch, so that's always fun. And I think this is actually an item I opted in for too, but again, I barely can remember. Fun. So this is just a star necklace. And yeah, basically just says, if it comes in contact with water, sweat, or lotion, perfumes, it could tarnish the jewelry. So just gives you some insight on how to care for it. So that is very pretty. And then last but not least, I have two mystery items that I definitely did not opt in for. The first is a luminizer primer. It helps refine the look of pores. So this is definitely something I could use. It's a primer. Always good to have primers around the house. And then last but not least, these fun little clear or nude colored hair ties, which is awesome. Every girl needs hair ties. Let's give this box a rating. Pretty straightforward. 1 is the worst, 10 is the best. Now in this case, I am going to rate my box a 9. Really am excited about my box. I definitely think it's worth it. If you have the $49.99 extra quarterly to spend, it's definitely worth testing out FabFitFun, especially if you want to customize it, then you know what you're getting. Sometimes I like to be surprised though, so sometimes I don't customize at all. The only real problem I foresee in FabFitFun is after you do it for a while, you start collecting a ton of these items, and if you don't use them, then they go to waste. So it's really important that one, if you're sensitive to certain things or you only like certain beauty products, definitely customize your box so that way you get really what you want. And then two, my other recommendation is to make sure with any subscription box that you are organizing your items appropriately. And I'm actually going to do a video on how I organize my products to give you guys some good insight in that. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I love doing these reviews for you. If there's any specific products or services that you want me to test out, just shoot me a comment in the section below. And as always, thank you so much for joining. You guys are the best. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you have an amazing weekend ahead of you.